Hello YouTube, this is my 52-inch Hampton Bay Carrige ceiling fan that we purchased at Home Depot. I think we paid about $90 for it, something like that. Comes in brass. It comes in stainless steel, and then it comes in appliance white. This one has cherry to oak blades. I'll demonstrate the light kit because this is kind of a cool light kit. So 2 lights come on, 2 more come on, and then all 4 come on. This is our second one because our first one, the light capacitor actually fried, so it started on fire, so we couldn't turn the light off, so we had to go to the breaker and take it down. Something that's cool is with these glass globes, they actually reflect the light, and it looks pretty cool, but I don't think I have any clear lights. Actually, you know what, wait, I might take the one out of the fridge. Should have done this before the video, but I'm just thinking of it now. Alright. See, you get one of these lights that's actually pretty loose. Alright. Alright, and that's what it does. It makes a pretty cool looking design on the ceiling, especially when you have all 4 in. It's not quite as bright though, which is kind of unfortunate. Alright, so I'll demonstrate the fan on low. And here's these pull tabs. Can't really see Hampton Bay anymore because it kind of came off because they're just the cheap plastic ones. I think our first one had the metal ones, but this one does not. It doesn't blow too much air on low, but you can feel a slight breeze. This is flush mounted, as you can see, but for some reason the lights actually spin, and I don't know why that is, especially when we have it on high, and sometimes it will start to make a grinding sound. This is not a hard fan to put up, but it does require a little bit of time. Alright. Here's high. I'm just noticing some sort of bearing noise after I start making the video, but you don't notice this kind of stuff till you start making the videos. Alright, that's medium. It does blow quite a bit of air on medium. And here's high. And off. Dogs are just both checking me out. Gretchen, Scout. The couch is a bit messy because we were just trying to clean up and it didn't really work, but oh well, we'll figure something out later. Where to put all this stuff? Probably just gonna put it all in the closet downstairs. Another thing that's a little annoying is this pole chain for the light. I don't know. Sometimes it squeaks, but of course it's not doing it for the video. And actually for the blade brackets, you have to take the whole light kit off to screw the blades on. So it's kind of a pain to tighten them. And also, the blades themselves, oh shit, are a little bent, but they are tightened as much as you can get them. So, yeah, that's the fan.